In this quick video guide, I want to show you how amazing are the narrow filters in Photoshop, which are kind of artificial intelligence filter that can help you to manipulate, improve or alterate, change completely an image. Starting from an original image, we can create basically anything, and we can use some of the filters that were already in Photoshop, and now we have these new tools that are really amazing. So we need an image, and in this case I want to show you some specific neural filters, and I've chosen to go here. This is an example of before and after the filter, and I went here in Pexels. So I want to show you here what I've done. I'm just search for face in Pexels, so we have a lot of images that we can get and we can experiment with, and this is one that I've chosen. And then I found also another one, this one here. We're gonna use this one in this video. So I'm just gonna go here to download, and I'm gonna use the original, which is kind of 4K pixel, because the bigger is the image, the better will work in Photoshop using the filters. So I'm gonna use this. Download. If you want to donate to the author here, you can do it. So I'm just gonna download it in a folder here that I've called Pexels. Save it, and we can use other software like GIMP, or also like Canva on the web. We can use also apps that work directly on the web like Canva and Pixar, and you can find other video guides about this software in the channel if you're interested. So once I downloaded this, but the narrow filters, the tools that I'm going to show you here are only available in Photoshop. So what I'm going to do here is open the file. So I'm going to go to open and open the file right here. There you go. And also want to copy this in order not to change the original. So I want to get back to the original at some point and show you the before and after. So what I'm going to do is just go here and save a copy. So I'm going to call this well, copy will be fine. And I'm going to choose like maximum quality, and that's it. So I'm gonna open now both, so the copy and the original. So that's the original right here, and that's the copy. We're gonna work on the copy. So first, before actually going into the most advanced filters, narrow filters and artificial intelligence, I want to show you that already in Photoshop we had an amazing filter for this, which was the liquify. And with liquify we can alterate the whole image. But what I want to show here is like directly this tool right here, which is called the face tool. And maybe some of you didn't know about this, but this is extraordinary. You can like take this and like change the eye position. We can make like larger eyes, and we can make them really big pupil, and we can work on the various parts of the eye, so we can really fix this. And be careful not to make this too extreme, otherwise it will show. And then we can work with the nose. I can push the nose up or down. I can make it like larger and smaller. So perhaps find a better position for this. And then we have the mouth. So I can change the position of the mouth. And you can see slowly like turning into something different from the original. And then I can make like the lips smaller, bigger. Again, just try not to exaggerate. And I can make the mouth larger or smaller, and I can make it like laughing or a little bit more sad. So it's really, you know, changing the overall aspect. And I can like push down the forehead, make it smaller, bigger, more balanced. And here I can push the chin, and I can make this like a little bit smaller or a little bit larger. And again, try not to exaggerate, otherwise we look too strange. But we already did a lot of stuff here. So if you want to know more about Liquify and the other tools in Photoshop, you can just check the Photoshop video course in the channel. Well, you can see already we changed a lot the original image. So I can take this as a reference right here. Let's say okay, and there you go. Now we can even change it more using the narrow filters. So to use those, I will go back to filter menu and go to narrow filters and open them up. Now for the narrow filters, you need to download them in order to use them. And once you download them, you can just activate them. And this image is already kind of modified, but you can make it even more like you can eliminate all the defects like wrinkles or spots and wherever. So you can make it really smooth and blur everything out and make it like perfect skin with the skin smoothing. And this is just one. Then you have like the ones for portraits, and then you have creative color photography. So you can try all of these. And for each one of these, if you want to use them, you need to click here and download them. So this is colorize to turn like black and white images into colored images, another amazing artificial intelligence filter. But I'm just gonna keep it with these three here at the top. So first one is gonna be skin modifying or smoothing. You see here, until this is not downloaded, you cannot use it. You need to connect with Adobe and download it. And by the way, you also have like a wait list. So these are like the next tools that are gonna come here to, change all these little different um, things in the photos, and also portrait generator. So you can like generate new faces out of just characteristics you specify with words perhaps. So these are the new that will come shortly. And then we have smart portrait again. So here you have like be happy. So I can change and make this girl happier, and that's gonna affect the expression. And if you go the other way, you will do the opposite. So like kind of be sad. And this is working again with the cloud. So it's going to exchange data from the cloud using again artificial intelligence. Let's see what's gonna happen. There you go. So it kind of change it completely. And then you can go like the other way and make it sad. And it's gonna generate pixels that are not there. So again, like recreating the image totally. Control Z, let's go back to the previous one, which was a little bit nicer. And then you have facial age. So if you want to make this character older or younger, you can increase the age by increasing this. So let's try to make it a little bit older. Let's see what's going to happen. And there you go, just a little bit older. Or you can try the other way and make it younger. And then you have hair thickness. So you can make it thicker or less thick. And then you have eye direction. And then your expression, you have like surprise or anger, or you can go the other way. And then you have like add direction, light direction, and so on. So just, play around with all these filters and look what's gonna happen. Just wait, sit back, relax, and see what Photoshop is gonna come out. And I also added a scar here. I don't know why. Well, you can fix also a little bit this using the standard Photoshop tools. And then you have like makeup transfer and other stuff. But just to show you here quickly where we come, I'm gonna go to Window and tile vertically, so you can see that the difference. So this was the before and then the after. So we can see we changed it completely. It looks like a different person. Now, this was just a quick video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more. And if you want to support us or thank us, please join the channel as a supporter and check our other courses and guides that we have in graphic design, 3D design, video editing, and many, many more. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.